Derek Berger from Skipperbuds of Madison here, giving you a once around on our Bayliner VR5 2023 model that we've got here in our showroom available for viewing. Nice large swim platform for all the activities that take place in the back of the boat. Nice unique color. You don't always see this color out there. It's nice to have something a little different than others. Nice view of the interior on the captain's side. Nice captain's chair with a bolster on it. It's a nice option. Good wraparound L bench seating. As you can see here on the co-captain side, you've got a flat bench where that seat back turns into a co-captain's lounge area. It's a nice feature with some versatility there. Nice wide open bow. And the walk through into the cockpit. A versatile and manageable boat. Thanks for taking a look at the VR5.